The overall goal of this procedure is to prepare Descemet's endothelial tissue for DMEC insertion. This is accomplished by first performing a partial trephination and applying Shtein in order to visualize it. Next, a 360-degree partial dissection at the trephinated line is performed between the stroma and Descemet's membrane. Then, the Descemet's membrane is manually peeled from the stromal bed, leaving only a small hinge attached. Finally, the Descemet's membrane is returned to the stromal bed, and any residual liquid between them is removed. Ultimately, Descemet's membrane endothelial keratoplasty using pre-cut tissue preparations is a safe and repeatable form of controlled manual tissue dissection used to treat endothelial disease.
The main advantage of the eye bank preparing the Descemet's membrane endothelial keratoplasty donor tissue is that it reduces the risk of tissue loss in the preparation and improves efficiency in the operating room for the surgeon.
Generally, surgeons new to this technique may struggle at first because they may find it difficult to avoid tearing Descemet's membrane, especially during the partial dissection and the Descemet stripping.
Visual demonstration of this technique is critical because the separation steps are difficult to describe, in particular the successful delineation between Descemet's and stroma.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Lauren Johnson, the manager of tissue processing from the Midwest Eye Bank's Michigan laboratory.
To begin preparing Descemet's endothelial tissue, don the proper attire, including a cap and mask, and wear eye protection in the process.